Thank you, Dee and Mika.
Bye. Enjoy. We'll miss you.
Hey, welcome to my first ever vlog, and I don't know how to start with this video, but I hope you will enjoy my trip today. So I am at Aquino International Airport. I just got here around 9:50 in the morning from Cebu, and I will be flying to the most beautiful place on earth, the Maldives. Yeah, I am so excited. I'm gonna meet my fiance and his family there, and I am waiting for my flight to Doha. It's gonna be on 6 p.m. and while waiting I need to find a fast food for me to eat and a cosmetic store because I really need eyelashes for a very special event later. Yeah, so I hope and I pray that I will pass through the immigration, so I will be so happy and finally meet again my fiance and his family for the first time. Yeah, so yeah, thank you. So we got some dollars to spend in Maldives. So time check, it is, I think it's almost 3 in the afternoon, and I am so happy that I passed the immigration. I got really nervous because it is very strict to travel during COVID times, and you need to secure all the documents that you need, and answered all the immigration officer that asked you. And now I am waiting for my flight to board. Arrive in Doha, Qatar. So excited to see my fiance. Yes. I'm heading to my gate now, going to Maldives. I need to be faster because my flight is going to be 12:40.
You don't want her sneaking up on you?
Don't want to sneak. She's very sneaky. She's like a ninja.
Yeah. Are you nervous?
Of course I'm nervous.
How long has it been? Like a month?
It's been now like 3 months. Well, no. January. It hasn't even been 2 months. Wait.
It happened!
It did happen. Okay, well I'm gonna go How much farther is the track?
Oh my god.
Hi.
I'm so glad you're here.
Oh no!
Hi.
Recording. Oh, this is my brother Josh.
Nice to officially meet you.
Yeah.
It's happening. Now, once we get on the boat with our bags, we're good.
Does it feel real yet?
It feels real. Yeah.
Faster than usual.
We're all together. Almost all together.
Yeah, and this is Alex.
In person.
Tippy toe.
Oh, yay! I'm glad that you're here.
I know.
You're safe. You made it. One more flight.
One more flight. I didn't sleep at home.
You didn't sleep at all? You're supposed to sleep on this flight?
And there's a kid pulling my hair out back.
Yeah. You can probably put that down now, Josh.
So arrive in Maldives at exactly 5:30 in the morning, and we are now at the checking bag to get our luggage. Nice.
All right, we just landed and are in the airport for the Cinnamon Dhonveli. Getting loaded up. How's it going, Josh? Alex?
Pretty good. The weather's nice.
Very hot. Speaking of hot, how's it going, Marianne?
Well, it's normal for me. This building is hot.
All of us arrived safely. It's a happy day. Mission accomplished so far. How we doing? Smiling. And we're off. Engines are running. We're moving. We are heading to Cinnamon Dhonveli, the resort. Oh man, that sun's hitting me. This is such a nice change from 21 degrees and 6 inches of snow in Seattle. And man, it's awesome. Good to be here. Looks like we're coming in. Leaving the bags. Okay, cool. Hey, thanks for the ride, man. That was a lot of fun. You guys get some pretty good waves. Thank you. Good. How you guys doing?
Is that what we're doing? Mark's squeaky voice.
Oh, howdy.
Yeah.
Hi. Wow. You're crying already.
Hi, sir.
How's it going?
32 please.
Thank you. Oh, it's good. A little long. The flight from Seattle to Doha is like 100 degrees today.
Thank you.
We're here.
That's why I was like, you know, I knew it happened, but I had doubts. I was like, oh my gosh. And then with the snow in Washington,
So much
I was like,
What happened?
Oh yeah, I'm enjoying looking at weather reports. It's like,
Man, you look like you're on vacation.
welcome to Cinnamon.
been there, done that. We're already here.
To wipe a cold towel for your neck, forehead,
Oh,
face,
cool towel.
and you can take
Man, I
off
was
your
about to
clothes.
take a bite out of it. I was like, it's
Actually, a family
Good, thanks.
holding.
yeah. I should just let you get your own.
And one oranges and iced tea.
Yes, please, thank you.
That's kind of like tastes like drinking the bottom of water.
Yeah, that's what Dad said. I liked it.
I like it.
Beautiful.
Number 2, this is our main reception. We are open 24 hours, so if you need any assistance during your stay, you can dial 0 from the telephone in here.
No, not the beach bungalow.
Garden bungalow, sorry.
Ours, mine and Dad's is the beach.
You have a towel?
I was gonna say.
Two
Okay.
inside. And you also will be entitled for the canned beer and soft drinks in the minibar.
Okay.
Okay?
And is the minibar restocked?
Yeah, once you sign the small bill they put, they will not charge for it. That's just for
Okay.
your signature and they will replenish.
Okay,
Nice.
perfect.
Yeah. So this room, you can separate it as well. You have separate AC, TV and speaker also. Those are-
Wow.
Cool. And yeah.
That is cool.
Watch the
Yeah.
water.
And you push a button and this lowers down so you can
So,
get your feet out.
I want you to lay on your floor.
Are there lights underneath?
Yes, at
Okay,
night.
And
at night,
at-
that's what I hear.
Yeah, and so you can swim underneath.
Oh, man.
Marianne.
And she can take a picture. Yes.
That current is
It's
moving.
moving.
Okay.
Yes, look at
Today
that.
it's too strong, but usually it's very low.
Oh yeah, it's super colorful. You see it right there?
Yeah.
Yellow?
I like how everybody's head just went.
Yeah.
So this is your Oh, there's 4 seasons.
No, there it goes.
Oh, it does have it.
There we go. Oh, very nice. The
The
trampoline.
lines will run
Oh, yeah.
automatically when you swim.
Nice.
Go by too fast. Yeah. You can snorkel here.
You can snorkel here.
These are fishes, the black ones. Looks like rock.
And take a bath. That's a big tub.
Yeah.
In here you don't have the AC, so you cannot put it.
Wow.
For the amenities, you can push the drawer, the brown one. Yeah, there we go. Once it finishes,
nice.
you can tell us and we will make it refill.
Wow.
So we have
Nice.
towels, bath towels. Sorry, beach towels.
Beach towels, yeah.
I really want to stay in this room.
Wow.
Yeah.
Shall we move this table? So
Oh, yeah.
Oh, sure.
it'll be better?
Oh, the table moves.
Oh, you just stand up there.
Yeah.
How is it going there?
Hi, Joe.
Josh, watch out.
He can't.
Yeah,
You
he
can
What?
hear it.
I think you should lie down and we should take a picture.
All stuff's in here.
Huh?
All the stuff's in here.
All the stuff's in here.
Hello again.
Oh,
Yeah, Josh is.
I didn't realize he got it all wet in here.
Oh, Josh.
Oh, gosh. I got it. No. Yeah. Hold on. I got it, bro. Shimmy.
Say so.
So wet.
Amazing view over there.